The drone market in 2026 is witnessing an exciting evolution in the sub-250 grams category. The DJI NEO 2, launched in late 2025, represents the entry-level option for beginners and casual content creators who want something compact and hassle-free. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini 5 Pro, which hit the market in September 2025, stands as the current flagship with professional-grade capabilities packed into a lightweight frame. Then there's the upcoming DJI Lito X1, an unreleased premium drone that's already generating buzz through FCC filings and expected to arrive between late February and early April 2026. Each of these drones brings something unique to the table, and understanding their differences helps you figure out which one aligns with your creative ambitions and budget. When it comes to sensor size and image quality, these three drones sit at dramatically different tiers. The DJI NEO 2 features a 12-megapixel, 1/2-inch CMOS sensor with an f2.2 aperture, which is a solid upgrade from the original NEO, but still the smallest sensor in this comparison. It's designed to capture decent footage in good lighting conditions, though low-light performance remains limited due to the sensor's compact size. The DJI Mini 5 Pro, on the other hand, absolutely dominates this category with its massive 50-megapixel, 1-inch CMOS sensor. This is the largest sensor you'll find in any sub-250-gram drone currently available, and it makes a world of difference when it comes to dynamic range, color accuracy, and handling challenging lighting scenarios. The larger sensor pulls in significantly more light, resulting in cleaner images with less noise, especially during golden hour shoots or in shaded environments. Then there's the DJI Lito X1, which is expected to feature a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor that sits comfortably between the NEO 2 and Mini 5 Pro. While not as large as the Mini 5 Pro's sensor, the Lito X1's sensor should deliver a substantial improvement over the NEO 2's capabilities, particularly in low-light situations where sensor size directly impacts image quality. The positioning suggests DJI is trying to create a middle-tier option that offers better image quality than entry-level models without reaching the premium pricing of the Mini 5 Pro. Video recording capabilities tell an even more interesting story about how these drones differentiate themselves. The DJI NEO 2 can shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second for standard recording and pushes up to 4K at 100 frames per second for slow-motion footage, which is impressive considering its price point. It also supports vertical shooting at 2.7K/60 frames per second, a feature clearly designed for TikTok and Instagram Reels creators who want content ready for mobile platforms without additional editing. The ISO range spans 100 to 12,800 for both stills and video, giving you some flexibility in different lighting conditions. The DJI Mini 5 Pro takes video capabilities to another level entirely with 4K recording at 120 frames per second, offering ultra-smooth slow-motion playback that's perfect for cinematic sequences. It records at a maximum bitrate of 130 megabits per second using H.264 or H.265 codecs, ensuring your footage retains maximum detail and color information. The Mini 5 Pro also features digital zoom capabilities up to 3 times in 4K and 4 times in Full HD, plus a unique 225-degree gimbal rotation that lets you capture creative angles that would be impossible with traditional drones. Its ISO range matches the NEO 2 at 100 to 12,800 in normal mode, but adds specialized profiles like D-Log-M and HLG with a more conservative 100 to 3,200 range for professional color grading workflows. The upcoming DJI Lito X1 is expected to match or exceed the Mini 5 Pro's video specs with 4K recording at 100 frames per second and 120 frames per second, though detailed bitrate and codec information hasn't been confirmed yet. What we do know is that it'll feature a 3-axis gimbal stabilization system for smooth footage, and its larger sensor should provide superior low-light performance compared to the NEO 2. Flight time is where we see some of the most dramatic differences between these three drones. The DJI NEO 2 offers approximately 19 minutes of maximum flight time, or around 17 minutes if you're using propeller guards for added safety. This is fairly standard for ultra-compact drones in this weight class, and while it's enough for quick social media clips or scouting shots, it means you'll need to plan your sessions carefully and potentially carry multiple batteries for extended shooting days. The DJI Mini 5 Pro completely changes the game with 36 minutes of flight time using the standard battery, which is nearly double what the NEO 2 offers. Even better, DJI offers an Intelligent Flight Battery Plus that extends flight time to an impressive 52 minutes, though this does push the drone's weight over 250 grams and requires registration in many regions. This extended flight time makes the Mini 5 Pro ideal for professional shoots, where you need to capture multiple takes or wait for the perfect lighting without constantly swapping batteries. The DJI Lito X1 is expected to offer flight times ranging from 30 to 50 minutes, depending on battery configuration, which suggests DJI might offer multiple battery options similar to the Mini 5 Pro's setup. This would position the Lito X1 as a versatile option that balances portability with endurance, giving you more airtime than the NEO 2 without necessarily matching the Mini 5 Pro's maximum duration. Beyond basic flight and camera specs, these drones differ significantly in their advanced safety and intelligent features. The DJI NEO 2 features Level 5 wind resistance and reaches maximum speeds of 43 km per hour with a transmission distance of 10 km. It includes 49 GB of internal storage, which can hold approximately 75 minutes of 4K/60 frames per second footage. The DJI Mini 5 Pro steps things up with omnidirectional obstacle sensing and LiDAR technology that helps it navigate complex environments safely. Its maximum flight distance reaches 21 kilometers with the standard battery and extends to 32 kilometers with the Plus battery, giving you incredible range for exploration and creative shots. The upcoming DJI Lito X1 appears to be the most technologically advanced of the three, with leaked specs suggesting 360-degree obstacle avoidance using fisheye optics and LiDAR-like sensors with 10-meter detection range. It's expected to use DJI's new O5 transmission system with 20 kilometers plus range, potentially incorporating 5G cellular integration for beyond visual line-of-sight capabilities. The Lito X1 will also feature Level 5 wind resistance with voice control through Hey Fly commands and motion control options, suggesting a more intuitive piloting experience. Finally, pricing reveals how DJI has strategically positioned these drones for different market segments. The DJI NEO 2 starts at $319 for the drone-only version, with Fly More combo bundles available around $459. This makes it the most accessible option for beginners who want to dip their toes into aerial content creation without a massive investment. The DJI Mini 5 Pro sits at the premium end with a starting price of $759 for the drone alone, while bundle options range from $959 for the Fly More combo with RCN3 up to $1,529 for the Fly More combo plus with RC2. The significant price jump reflects the professional-grade sensor, extended flight time, and advanced safety features that serious creators demand. The DJI Lito X1 is expected to launch around $759, directly competing with the Mini 5 Pro's entry price point and creating an interesting dilemma for buyers who'll need to choose between the Mini 5 Pro's proven track record and massive sensor or the Lito X1's newer technology and potentially better range capabilities.